Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to solve this problem. And as we are told here that two views of a block are shown, draw this in isometric projection. Arrow X is the required viewpoint. Okay, now let's talk about the dimensions on this object. As you can see here, this is a truncated hexagonal prism, and in the plan here we have the length of side to be 30 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 50, and distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. So we are going to put these dimensions together to get the isometric view of this object. So let's go and see how this problem can be solved. So what we need to do first, because this is an isometric object, we are asked to construct this isometric object with the views that we are given, and the views are given in first angle orthographic projection. Okay, so what we need to do first is that we need to construct a hexagon. So that is the first, that's the first thing that we need to do. So I'm going to construct the hexagon here. Okay, so we draw this line. So the length of side is 30 millimeters. It means that the diameter of the circle on which this the hexagon will be constructed is 60 millimeters. So just look at what I'm going to do. So I need to put my pen in the compass, and that is what I'm doing now. So I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters with this compass, 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters. Okay, so this is 30 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a circle. I'll draw a circle like this. Okay, so I'll draw this circle, and then with my compass, so with the pinpoint of my compass at this point, I will draw an arc up and down here, and I'll also draw an arc up and down the circle here on this side. Then I'm going to connect this point together. Connect this point together with this. And I'll also connect this point together with this. Then I'm connecting this point together. So just pay attention to what I'm doing. So you need to pay attention to this work. Okay, so connecting this point, then I'll connect these 2 points together like this. Then I'll connect these 2 points together like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to construct a square around this shape. So I think it will be a square. So we'll draw a vertical line here, and coming to this side I will draw a vertical line like this. Then here on this horizontal, so I will draw a horizontal line through this point, and then so through this point also I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so I created I think this is a square. So alright, so we are going to label this point. We are going to label this point. If I call this point, this is point P, and this is point Q, this is point R, this is point S, this is point T, and this is point U here. Alright, so as we are told in the question that the viewpoint should be in direction of arrow X here. Okay, so what we need to do first is that we are going to create a square. We are going to create a square, and that square we have a length of 60 millimeters. If I check this, this should be 60 millimeters. You can see this is 60 millimeters, and if I check this also, so it should be okay. Alright, so this one is not up to 50 millimeters. So just look at what I'm going to do, and what we need to do now is that we are going to draw a short horizontal line here, and then with my 30° set square, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. I will draw a line in this direction, and I will also draw a line in this direction, like this. Okay, so now with the direction of view, so we are going to what we need to do first. So before I go on, so we take this distance from here to here. This distance from here to here. Let me call this, let me label this so that we can get it. So let's say this point is point A, and this point is so this point is point B, and this point here is point C, and this point is point D. Okay, so we take distance, this distance AB, so we take it like this. Okay, so we take it from here to here, and we put it at this point, so we make an arc here. So if you look at what we have here, so this is point A and this is point B. Okay, then I will take distance AD. I will take distance AD like this. Okay, so I believe you can see it. So I will take distance AD from A to D. I will take this distance. Okay, so putting it at point A here, and I make an arc here on the line. So now I'm going to transfer this point. So what I need to do is to draw this line in this direction, and then with my set square like this at point B, I will transfer this point. Okay, so now, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to locate this midpoint, that is point U here, and I need to locate point R here. So what I need to do in this case, so let me first of all label this. This is point C and this is point D. So now let's now locate point U and R. So I will put the pinpoint of my compass here at A and extend to point U. So I will extend it to point U here like this. Okay, so then I will put it at, I can put at D or at A, so make an arc here, and I can put it here again, so make an arc here. Alright, so at this point, so this is point U and this is point R. So just follow me the way I'm doing it here. Now we need to locate point PQ and point ST. So to get point PQ, so if you look at it, distance AP, so it's also the same as distance BQ, and also distance CS and distance DT. So I just need to take one of them. So I just take AP. I just take distance AP like this. Okay. So taking distance AP, I'll put at D here. So make an arc here. So put at C here. I will make an arc. Okay. So I put it at A. So I will make an arc. Then I'll put at B here. I will make an arc here. Okay. So now, so if I label this point, so this is point P, and this is point Q. This is point S. Okay, and this is point here. So all I need to do now is to connect this point together. So I'm connecting, as we have here, that P is joined with U. So I will connect this together. I connect P and U together like this, and also I will connect UT together. Connect UT together like this. Okay, then I will connect RS together. Connect RS together, though it's not everything that we show. Then I will connect QR together like this. Okay, so this is the base. This is the base that we need. This is the base. So what I'm going to do now is that so I'm going to draw a vertical line. So at this point here, at this point Q here, I will draw a vertical line. At point Q, I will draw a vertical line like this. Also at point P, I will draw a vertical line. So at point U, I will draw a vertical line. Then at point C, I will draw a vertical line like this. Alright, so let me also draw a vertical line at this point S here, and also at point R, I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so looking at what we have here now, so with what we are given, here, so we need to, so on these three lines, that is the vertical line at Q, R, and S, I will take a measurement of 50 millimeters. 50 millimeters, so this is 50 millimeters, and here also we have 50 millimeters from here. Okay, and then here I will also take a measurement of 50 millimeters, so this is 50 millimeters. While for here I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters from from P up 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters. Then on this line also I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters, and here also I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters up. So this is 15 millimeters. So with what we have here, so I'm going to connect this point. So I'll connect this point together with this. Okay, so I'll connect this together. So I'll connect these 2 points together like this. Also, I will connect these 2 points together. Then, so I'll connect these 2 points together. Also, so I'll connect these 2 points. I'll connect them together like this. Then these 2 points, I will connect them together. Alright, so next thing that we are going to do is to bring out the feasible outlines of this object. So I'm going to pause the video and do that. Alright, so this is the isometric view of the object as we are asked to do it. So it's just a solid hexagonal, truncated hexagonal prism, and that is what we have done here. So all you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you become a master at it. Thank you, and God bless you.